Hey friends, have you ever felt like starting from scratch after a big failure? Well, that's where my digital marketing journey began. Not with a success story, but with a failed startup. A zero marketing knowledge and lot of questions. Now, after 7 years in the game, I want to share everything I have learned. Real practical stuff. So, you can avoid the mistakes I made and move faster in your own career. Let's dive in. My name is Parag Shelar and I'm a digital marketing analyst with over 7 years of experience. I have completed my bachelor's from University of Pune in electronics and telecommunication trade, like many others. I jumped into entrepreneurship right after the college. My friend and I started a startup with lot of hope and zero marketing skills. Long story short, it didn't work. We lost time, money, and a bit of confidence too. But that failure was actually turning point. We realized our product didn't fail, our marketing did. And that's when I started learning digital marketing. And that decision changed everything. Back then, digital marketing was just starting to explode. I joined internship, I eager to learn. I learned everything like social media, email marketing, search engine optimization, and you name it. I didn't just learn theory. I got my hands dirty, made mistakes, ran campaigns, measured results. And that's where real learning happens. Now, if you are just starting out, listen up. This part can save you years. While learning digital marketing, explore all areas of digital marketing like SEO, social media, email marketing, content, everything. But once you understand the landscape, choose one to go deep in. Being average at everything won't make you so far, but being good at one thing, that's what make you stand out. And that's what companies are looking for. Also, don't chase salary in first few years. Chase project, chase learning. If your organization is giving you repetitive tasks on daily basis, leave it. Trust me, your growth matters more. Keep learning from blogs, newsletter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Stay updated. This field changes every single month. Let me quickly paint a picture for you. 7 years ago, digital marketing was just a keyword stuffing, boosting a post on Facebook, and generating backlink. That was it. Today, it's a whole different world. Now we focus on data-driven strategies, AI-powered tools, and marketing automation tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, ChatGPT, and list goes on. Content has shifted too from blogs to YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and influence marketing. Everything got exploded. Now, it's not just only about likes, it's about ROI and conversion. To survive here, you need to keep evolving, stay curious, stay updated. That is the only hack. Alright, let's talk about money. Because, be honest, we all want to know what digital marketers really earn. If you are just starting out, 0 to 1 year experience, you can expect around 2.2 lakh up to 4 lakh depending on your skills and practical knowledge. With 2 to 5 years of solid experience and expertise in a specific field like SEO, paid media, PPC, and paid social media, you can expect the range of 8 lakh per annum to 15 lakh per annum is very realistic. For experienced folks, 5 plus years, it can go up to 18 LPA or even more. But for managerial, the numbers started from 18 LPA and even go more based on the company and based on the city. The point is, your degree doesn't matter as much today. What matter is your hands-on experience and whether you drive real actual results. So that's my journey from a failed startup to building a career in digital marketing. If my video can inspire any one person to take their first step, I'll consider this video worth it. If you are someone who is starting or switching career in digital marketing, remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. and never stop learning. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video where I will talk about digital marketing and behind the scene learnings. Bye.